I remember the days, always at the same place, the same people every day. I will never forget this black old Corvette standing in front of my way. We were both in high school. I thought I was a fool. Oh, when I was falling.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the I, DD, and you know we are here in Houston, Texas.
Yeah.
Right? We are here in Houston, Texas. Okay. So what we are going to do is get this shot, and what we have is the 200 F2. Okay. So you know, Sigma brings the pain. All right. I love their 35, and they got a few other lenses, but I need to see if there's really some hype about this 200 F2. Now, here to help me, you know, we have Miss Madeline, okay? And she is from Honduras, okay? And so we have this vibe, okay? Give me a 360, turn around, hira, okay. And so we have this aesthetic that we are going to shoot here, get some great shots, and are you ready?
Yeah, of course I'm ready.
Okay, and what is your Instagram?
Model.mesolme.
Okay, I'll put that in the bottom left-hand corner. You ready?
Yes, I'm
All
ready.
right.
Let's do this.
Let's go. And then you like right here, like right here.
Here?
Yeah, right there. Boom. All right. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Pero cuando tú posas, tú puedes mover poquito. Entonces tienes algo como así, pero queda aquí, pero mover tu cabeza. Y próximo. Okay. Boom. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Perfect. No. Queda. 1, 2, 3. Ojos aquí. P. Perfect. Perfect. Queda. Yes. 1, 2. Perfect.
I want you to come over.
Okay, so you definitely need a lot of working distance with this lens. I'm like backing up, but also it's really bright out here, so I'm kind of having trouble with seeing my screen as well. So you kind of got a mix of two things going on, but we got the wind working against us. It's really bright. We kind of on a gradient right here, but we got some fire.
I probably shouldn't raise it. I probably shouldn't say this.
I got this connected to the Z6III, okay? So we got the Z6III, and then we got it adapted. I'm at F2, and it's looking bocalicious, all right? Okay, I'm gonna get you. I want you to come out like right here. And you could sit back. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. So the shots are amazing, okay? But I don't know if I can get down with how much distance that I need, you know? And that's always kind of been my problem with like the 135 and everything kind of beyond the 105. So we kind of seeing, is the working distance worth what you can actually produce with the lens. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments.
I wanna be with you. If that's the last
I'm going all the way back here, y'all, because you know I got a long distance that I gotta go with this lens. But let's see what we could get. 1, 2, 3. Yep. 1, 2. Perfect. One, two. Again. 1. Yeah, 1, 2.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Boom. So let me get you sitting right there. And what I want you to remember is, remember this is your light. Entonces, tu cara necesita, sí, pero tú puedes sentar allá, como así, pero tu cara, sí. All right, 1, 2.
I've got a premonition, I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside.
Man, the sun is crazy right now. All right, 1, 2, 2. Mira, y como así. Ajá. Perfect. Y 1. Okay. I think we got it. Yeah. Right there. 1, 2. Wow. Perfect. Boom. 1, 2. Come in the shade. Yeah, right there. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Boom. And 1, 2. Okay, good.
Of love.